Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. When I installed these last year, I got a comment saying I should remove the old hoses and they might leak. Well, today is that day. I was doing laundry earlier and noticed it was dripping a little bit. I'll show you guys back over here. There's this hose right here. It's also a little rusted and mineralized. Let's remove those and go to Home Depot. We are back from Home Depot with new hoses. These are the old ones, kind of gross. I forgot to turn off the water, so when I untightened these a little bit, we got water spraying everywhere. Definitely turn off the water. I did know to unplug it first. Let's put the new hoses in. That was pretty easy. I love these simple DIY projects. I did be careful here and made sure they lined up because those threads are plastic. I turned the water back on and no leaking yet. Video 85 done.